Weather Rate Certified San Diego's most accurate forecast. This is 10 News Pinpoint Weather.
Taking chances, right?
Yeah, she's a smart girl, but you know, if it were me, I'd still be scared.
Yeah, but you're set for life.
she's
right?
got a point.
She does, yeah. So sweet. All right, the water temperatures around here are pretty warm too. As we go through the week ahead, we're pretty hot. Maybe going to the beach to seek some relief, unless you like the heat and the humidity. Then you're going to like this forecast. We'll start off with a shot out toward Poway. Clear conditions here, and yes, we've got a nice marine layer off in the distance. A good sea breeze coming in as we look from across our downtown skycam. However, that marine layer going to get thinner each night through the next 2 nights. 74 right now at Lindbergh with the northwest breeze at 9 miles per hour. 82 in Poway, Escondido at 83. We're at 84 in El Cajon. 90s for the higher elevations, 104 or so for the deserts. Mid 70s along the coast. Those are the water temperatures right in the mid 70s or so. And it looks like it's a good place to go cool off, right? Marine layer, futurecast. I'm starting off at 6 o'clock in the morning. Not really as thick as it has been and not extending all the way inland. That's one of the big story for us. 12 p.m., not really there at all. That's just because we're starting to warm up from this area of high pressure coming our direction, bringing some of the monsoon over New Mexico and Arizona our direction. So that does mean we continue to warm up this week ahead. Factor in 2 to 4 degrees each day this week, and by the time we get into Friday, it's going to be pretty hot around here. Showers and thunderstorms for the mountains and deserts on Tuesday and Wednesday. Your overnight lows only into the 60s, and your highs tomorrow. We're coming back up to, you'll notice some 90s back on the map. So 90 in El Cajon, 89 in Poway, 77 Point Loma. You've got another 89 in Santee, 92 in Ramona. La Jolla, you're back to 77 tomorrow. Temperatures a little bit warmer than they were today. Valley Center it's 91 and Escondido 89. Oceanside at 80. All right, the desert's back at 106 plus. Extended forecast at the coast. Yeah, pretty hot and muggy for several days to come. We're in the mid 80s on Thursday and Friday, even with a little bit of cloud cover early in the morning. All right, your inland numbers, pretty hot. And notice I've got a shower and a thunderstorm on Wednesday inland. That's just a chance. Most of the energy, I think, stays over the mountains and the deserts. However, can't rule out an isolated shower thunderstorm, but look at the highs back into the mid 90s on Thursday and Friday, even through Saturday and Sunday. All right, the extended forecast for the mountains and deserts. Yeah, some showers and thunderstorms again Tuesday and Wednesday. 110 or so on Saturday. It's a hot, humid week ahead.
Yeah, I already felt a little hotter today.
I know, I'm feeling it right now.
Yeah, it's hot in here.
I know,
Maybe
right?
that's what we're feeling.
That's true.
All right, thanks, Greg.